a notepad.
Yep.
Hold on.
No.
Oh, it says note in there.
Yeah.
Wait, you didn't even read it.
I did read it.
No, you didn't. What does it say? So?
And another pencil. Ah, this is pretty awesome. And something that's in here.
Rise and shine. Who's opening your stuff? Hold on.
Awesome
Just hear
news.
that? She goes, awesome!
Have
Look at
Mitzi.
that. Looks like an eraser. Sharpener. And chapstick.
Oh, yeah.
You know what flavor it is?
What?
Cake batter.
I
It's gonna taste like cupcakes.
know, it's my favorite.
Alright, hold on.
I'm gonna read that note.
Oh, she hung up by accident. Here, let me, come here. Come over here, please.
Can I read this note?
Hold on, I'll read it to you. This is Christine. Get out of here. What do you smell? Christine, hope you like all your surprises, and I know you're going to look beautiful in your new earrings. I love and miss you so much. Love always, Titi and Myra.